Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve a Skewb. So let's get into it. First off, to base off a few things, I am not going to be showing you guys the notations. I'm just going to be showing you the letters on the top screen and doing it visually. So if you guys want to learn, you can just see another video or look up a picture. But I'm not going to be showing you guys that in this video. Also, I'm going to be doing beginner's method, not any advanced method or anything. So yeah, if you're just starting, this is probably best for you. And so yeah, let's just get started. Okay, now for starts, we're gonna have to shuffle it. Shuffling, it's quite easy. You have to make sure that you're doing it diagonally, not like up and down. Like this doesn't work. You have to do it diagonally. Get used to all the turns so you know how to turn it. So you don't have to shuffle it too much because it's a small cube. Right, so you just want to shuffle it quite a bit that you feel like it's satisfied enough. So for me, I think that's enough. So now, first step, basically what you want to be doing is making one face. That's the first step. Just make one face. I'm gonna do it on white side so you guys can see it more easily than the other side. So first, what you want to be looking for is the white center. So obviously this is the white center. It's the biggest piece there. So we're gonna start with that, and as you can see, there's 4 corners that we had to make white as well. So we're gonna put white pieces in that. That's basically what we want to be doing. So the way to do that is quite simple. So this piece, let's see this, that's in the top layer. So this is one of a little hard case. An easy case is where you want it all in this type of area. So as you can see, we have 2 of them here. This one and this one. So I'm going to be doing this one first, for example. Since there's none on the top, we could just simply move it up in one move, like this. So you might think you won't understand first, but all you want to be doing is basically just making sure you see how if it can go up or not. So for example, you can't do it this way, right? Because then that's in the wrong direction. Also, if you do it this way, that goes to the bottom, doesn't go anywhere. And so basically, you'll be figuring this out quite easily. All you have to do is just move it up like that. So that's how you put one corner. But putting next corners could be a little more difficult. So yeah. So for example, the next one we could do is maybe this one. So for this corner right here, it's facing the bottom of the white, right? Exact opposite for the center. Remember, I told you I want it always at these bottom, top facing corners. But here, it's at the bottom. So you have to try bringing it to one of these areas. So this is a little tricky at first, but all you have to do is basically just do one move. Again, so for example here, pretend you want to insert it here. That doesn't work. It doesn't make it here, right? What if we do it again though? You can see it brings it to the bottom layer. So now we can do just what we did with the other one. Bring it up. So for example, if we bring it up here, that doesn't work because, well, it's not in the top part with the center. So, but if we bring it here, it works, but it takes out the other center. So we know this piece has to go here, but it's not flipped properly. So how do we do that? Well, now here is a quick thing to just make sure this could go in the opposite direction. All you have to do is just move the big diagonal piece that's you can make it switch. So all you have to do is move this piece, and then it moves it to the side. Then you can move it again even, but that goes to the bottom, and we don't want that. So we want it like this, which it can be able to go up here. So no more can we bring it up here. Now it won't go in properly, but we can bring it here. And then now we have 2 in. So that's how you get 2 corners in. But you still have 2 more other corners. Basically, we're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm just going to do one more. So here it's already down. We can bring it up here just by one move. And we can see all of the colors are the same. Red, red, blue, blue. We want that. We don't want it like this, for example. If this was flipped the other way like this, and we bring it up, oh, that takes out everything else. But let's just say we bring it back, which I'm going to tell you what to do sooner. It's opposite. It's not same colors, so we don't want to be doing that. Let's just reverse that. You want it like this. And for the last one, basically all you're doing is just in the top layer. So this is a new case, and this case could be a little tricky too. So I'm going to be telling you how to do that too. So this piece, we want to bring it, of course, back down to these type of places. And so obviously we can only do one move. We can move like this, because that moves this. So one move we could do is just like this. We could even do the other way, like this, but that brings it to the bottom, right? So we want to do this way, and brings it to one of these pieces. So that's quite simple. Now we could bring it to the top, but not exactly this one. We can bring it to this one, but we don't want that. First of all, these colors aren't all matching, these ones, and so also you take out this back one. So we want to not do that, and then put it here. So remember what I told you. You could switch it, but you might be thinking, if I switch it, this piece comes out. But that's totally fine, because all we could do is just bring it into its place, and then just replace that. And then there, we got one full side with all the colors facing correctly on each side. But I'm going to show you one more special case. So now here is a different sort of case. So here, obviously, we could just bring it up here, right? And it's not taking out any white piece, so we could just do it. But, do you guys see the mistake? Yeah, these are matching. None of them are matching, right? So we don't want to put it up there, and instead we'll have to put it on the exact other side. So right here. So remember what I told you? All you have to do, switch this side by moving this piece over, bring it back up, and then replenish this piece. So now we have 3, and I'll just quickly do this one. So it's on the top layer, bring it down to this layer, and then switch it, bring it up, replenish. And then another first face. Okay, so now all you want to do is, once you're done your first face, if you haven't got it, you can just keep playing around, and eventually you'll get it. And so once you're done it, and make sure all of the slides are all equal, the same color, basically, and what I've taught you, you can flip it a whole other way around, 180 degrees. And then now what you want is all the opposite colors of white, which is yellow, on the Rubik's Cube. You have to make all of the corners of that solved. So to do this, you'll need to know an algorithm, and I'll teach you this. But first, I'm going to show you the cases to do these algorithms and solve all the corners, and then go to the next step. So the first case is where basically you're getting 2 of these corners facing up and 2 of them facing out. So 2 opposites of the sides facing up, 2 opposites of the sides are facing out, and they're facing out like this direction. Boop, boop, boop. So like 2 corners facing exactly. Not one is facing this way, one is facing that way, but the same way. And that's the first case. Second case is where you have none solved on the top, but you have 2 of them right beside each other, and 2 of them right opposite of each other. See there? 2 opposite of each other, and 2 right beside each other. So this is quite easy to notice, and so it's quite easy to go together, 2 opposite, and none facing the top. That's the second case. And the last case is just all the corners are already solved. This is quite lucky, and you won't usually get this case. But, you can get lucky and get this case already. And if you already have it, you can get ready for the next step. But for all of you people that don't have it yet, here, this is how you get it. So for this case, when you have 2 facing up and 2 facing like this, all you want to do is hold like this, where one of them, the right one, there's one facing right to you and it's facing towards you. Not like this, where one left is facing towards you, but like this, and where these are like facing that way, not this way. So when you hold it like this, this is when you perform your first algorithm. So I'm going to show it right there. It is R prime, L, R, and L prime. So basically it's just R down, L down, R up, L up. Like that, quite simple. And then now, as you can see, we have the case where there's none on top and 2 facing together and 2 facing opposite. So if you already had this case, well, you're already in the next step, which is good. And so now, after this, you can be able to get all the 4 corners up. So once you have this case, all you want to do is be holding the 2 ones with the 2 corners. You're going to be holding it to the right, and the ones that are facing opposite from each other, from holding it from your left, facing you, and facing out from you. And so all you have to do here is the same algorithm that I just told you. R down, L down, R up, L up. And so as you can see, after you've done that, you have all the corners facing up. Yep. And finally now, we're going to be solving the full top face while still keeping the bottom face. So what you want to be doing is putting the center on there, right? Of course. And so you want to face the center and move 180 degrees from it. So it's facing the exact opposite of you. Now, what you want to be doing is the same algorithm I just told you. Do it. R down, L down, R up, L up. But now you don't have it, of course. But what I want you to do is find where the center is, and it's exactly another 180 degrees the opposite side. And it's always going to be there. So all you have to do is another of the algorithm, R down, L down, R up, L up. And then now you have the yellow side solved. So now, after you've done 2 full sides, you want to be holding them to the side. For the whole last part of the cube, you want to be holding the two solved sides opposite of them solved. Now, what you want to be looking for is another solved side. For now, in this example, there's no solved side. But I'm going to be showing you an example of where there is. So here, we can see that we have one solved face. And so when you have a solved face and no others, because there wouldn't be any, you want to keep it at the bottom. But also, what you want to be keeping in front of you is a side with opposites. So, for example, this part of the solved face, this is an opposite. You should probably learn the opposites of each color. So, I'll just quickly tell you. Red, the opposite of red is orange, opposite of orange is red, opposite of blue is green, opposite of green is blue, opposite of yellow is white, and opposite of white is yellow. So, like I said, opposite of blue is green, and that's not green. Orange isn't green. So, we're going to see the other side and see that it's orange here, and the opposite of orange is red, and so red is there. And so, we're going to be holding it like this. Now, we're going to be doing the same algorithm again, where we do R down, L down, R up, L up. But again, we're going to be facing 180 degrees the other way, and do it again. R down, L down, R up, L up. And as you can see, solve the cube. So, for example, this case doesn't have any solved sides, like what I first showed you. And so, for this case, you're going to be holding it from the side, of course, and it doesn't matter where you hold it, but just hold it from any part. So I'm just going to hold it from here. I'm going to do the algorithm. R left, L down, no. I'm not going to be telling them anymore. You should probably get in your head and do it. And then now you can see that you have a case with the solved side. So now you can look, these are opposites. These are opposites. I'll do the case. Oof. Yep. And so basically that's it. I don't really know. You guys should comment down below if you think I've missed out on anything, but I think that is it for the tutorial of how to solve Skewb. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, see you guys next time.